continuing of my past series about ADU, the accessory dwelling unit, as well as how to retire with the savings through real estate. I have received a lot of comments and a lot of questions from all of you. So I'm going to talk about, how to access your equity, because a lot of you say, hey, that's nice for the ADU, that I don't have the cash right now to build an ADU that cost me a couple $100,000, right? Okay. So good news is there are banks that right now are doing HELOC, the home equity line of credit, for investment properties. Not a lot of them. They are more stringent on the requirement than a owner-occupied one. For example, most of them require to have 720 FICO score or more to access it, and the loan to value, combined loan to value between your first and the equity line shall not be exceeding some 70%, some 80%. Okay, and also the third thing, the interest rate, mostly based on prime, is higher than a regular HELOC. For example, a HELOC for a owner-occupied will be prime plus a quarter plus a half. That one be prime plus 1 to 1.5. It's higher. However, is just for short terms, I have to say, right? Because you use that one as a construction loan, better than a construction loan which exists right now for you to access to do it. The rate is somewhat higher, and you have to pay for the origination fees, as well as some of the fees to manage the construction. And the paperwork is more cumbersome in the sense that you have to have a company, the bank chose it, to disperse the funds during the construction period. Okay, for example, for your foundation, for your framing, for your rough plumbing, for rough electrical, for drywall, for stucco, those kind of things, for roofing. Okay, so a little bit more cumbersome on the process. Better access your home equity line credit on your investment properties for short terms, because you don't want to jeopardize your 3.5%, 4% first mortgage, right? Okay, but after that, you can always get a home equity loan instead of equity line credit at a low interest rate. And a good news is, the interest rate is on the trending down. By the time that you finish your ADU construction, I can say that you probably look at the 5.5%, 6% on your investment property interest rate. Okay, so that's a good news. Okay, because I had mentioned to you that based on my calculation that I've shared with you before. So look back some video before on a spreadsheet. You can achieve 15 to 20% return on investment. So 6-7% on the second, at 4%, so your blend rate is about 5% pretty much, and you have a double-digit return. So it's got good investment, correct? Okay, so I'm going to share that good news for you is right now there are existing home equity line of credit for investment property. So if you like to know more information, please, you know how to reach me by texting, calling me, or emailing me. Okay, and until next time, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.